my dear crafters. So today I'm going to show you, and we're going to open this together, Eco Park's card making kit. So this is for the month of May. So today is the 20th, so it's the end of May. And I really like their card making kits. So let's open. And what you do is you subscribe, but you can cancel it anytime, and they send it to you every month. It's like spell binders, pretty much same thing. So you get this page here with some ideas on how to use the card kit, and also with everything, all the product list, the list of what you get. So yeah, let's take a look. So you get one washi tape. You always get a washi tape. I'm gonna get it out of the box because this box is not very helpful for videos. It's way too big. It's a very big box. So here we are. So the washi tape is very nice. There we go. Oh, I remember why I ordered this, because I really wanted it because of the colors. It's very summery. It's very spring, summer, so very fun. So let's see what we get. We get a 6x6 paper pad. Let me just open this because otherwise I cannot do a flip through for you, and I want you to see the paper because that's how, and I'll have the link below. Oh, I just love this paper pad. Let me show you the paper. Oh, I love this with a typewriter, old style typewriter. Flowers. Let me just hold it here. It's just hard to hold this paper. And it's double-sided. That's one thing that I love about this paper, is that it's double-sided. Let me just see if I can just hold it like this. Yeah. So there you are. It's very nice colors, very vibrant, and it's really thick paper too. So if you want to make boxes with it, you can. These are like old school cameras. I love the cut aparts. Believe in the people. It's about telling stories. I think that, yeah, our story matters. That's what it's called. So you have some cut aparts. Oh, this one is nice with the, I always love butterflies. So some cut aparts here. Really, really nice papers. And I think we just started again. Yeah. So it's going to repeat itself. Yeah. So, yeah. So it's 24. Oh, I didn't see this one. Hold on. Ah, the hearts. Love it. So yeah, these are different now. Very nice. So you have a 24 double-sided paper, is 60 pounds, 65 pounds cardstock. We get some chipboard. Let me just get it out of the plastic because the light doesn't make it very easy. So there you go. So you have all these cut aparts here. Let me just show you quickly. These are all chipboard accents that go with it. Very nice. Oh, I love animal dots. I just think they add, it's like the final touch for cards. So let me show you the colors. That's the wonderful thing about card kits. They color coordinate everything for you. So those are the animal dots. And the papers. So you get, let's see how many papers. So you get one sheet here of stickers. They're not cardboard, but they're nice stickers that coordinate with the paper. So let's take a look at it, okay? So this is the sheet, that element sticker they're called. I don't know how many. Let me see if the paper here says anything, how many stickers. 12 by 12, no, not really. But you can see that that's a lot of stickers that you can use, and it's pretty thick too. It's not cardboard, but it's pretty thick. So look at that. Some are tags, some are sentiments, some are just images like ephemera that go with the kit. Let me flip through the paper here. So you get 12 by 12, 1, 2, let me see how many. We'll count. So 12 by 12, and they are double-sided. So some cut aparts here. Let me just put this together so you can see. Very nice. I love these colors. So it's basically very similar to the 6 by 6. It's basically the same thing, but 12 by 12. See, remember this one? And these two go perfectly together. So you have options of backgrounds, or if you make something bigger like mini albums. So you have the 12 by 12. So there you are. And I didn't count, so I don't know how many. So let me count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sheets of 12 by 12. And the my favorite part, the ephemera pack. So I'm just gonna show you some of it. That's a lot of ephemeras. Let me see, 34 ephemera pieces here. Let me just put it on the white, and I'm going to zoom in just so you have an idea of what they look like. Just some of them. You don't have to show everything, but you have some that are bigger, like tags and like these, and then you have some that are more, some are more like frames. And then you have the smaller ones that are sentiments. So there you are. Yeah, just very nice ephemera. I'm just gonna lay it out here so you see the whole kit. And then we'll finish the video. So happy. Look at this. You have some little ones, I have some big ones, like that. So you can take a look. Yeah, you have some of these little ones here, some banners with a heart. So let me just zoom out so you can see better. So you have 34 die cuts. So this is the kit for this month. You have the 12 by 12. You have the chipboard. This is the stickers. You have the chipboards here. 6 by 6 pack and the animal dots. So that's the whole kit for you, Echo Park card kit of the month. So I have the link below in case you're interested. And as I said, it's a club, so you subscribe and you get it every month, every 2 months, I believe. Yeah, Echo Park is every 2 months, which is nice because once a month is a little bit too much, I think. So anyway, and you can cancel anytime, and that's what I do. I get a couple and then I cancel for a few months and then I go back. So anyway, I hope you had a good time looking at this kit, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.